Anthony's car. Told you I was gonna get it. There she is. I forgot about that.
It's yours.
Sold.
Damn, I can't believe you got it for that cheap.
You guys stay tuned. We're gonna go get it. Woo! Okay, so we're here at Copart picking up the car I just won. Also worth mentioning, we do a breakdown on prices towards the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned so you don't miss it. And if you find this channel interesting, make sure you subscribe.
You found your car.
That's your handprints too, I think. Your little baby hands.
Maybe.
I'm just kidding.
Let's see.
It is. It is.
It lines up.
It lines up.
No lie.
It's you. Okay, cool.
Oh, they're good ones too.
Nice. Cool, that back door looks a little weird. Perfect.
But, yeah, don't stress. All right, let's get over there. Let's get to the junkyard, get some parts for our cars.
All right, cool. All right. Now we're gonna drive it to a dirt lot, go pick up the parts we need, and drive it to the shop. So we're here at the junkyard getting the Trailblazer parts. Okay, so I need a driver's side tail light and a back bumper, preferably black, but I also need the reinforcement bar. Hopefully there's a black Trailblazer here, so I don't have to spray paint this one. Okay, so it looks like the bulbs are good. I'm not seeing any corrosion on the connector. Okay, got that little piece out. All right. So now, back here, underneath this, there is little clips, and it pushes right out. Look. See, just like that.
Ah, you're pinching it. You're making it look easy.
No, no armrest.
Any other things?
Just be there rocking all day long. Kept going back into itself after I hit the other side. Okay.
Alright, it's just sitting over here on top of the truck.
Good. No more than 11. Yeah. Oh. Woo.
I could use this to catch myself.
And he almost got hit in the head with his own wrench. His own wrench almost killed him. Okay. Cool.
Glad I could do all the hard parts for you, Anthony.
Oh, well, I was going to do it and totally was going to do it. All right.
So you can take these all the way out, I'll hold it out, and you can take out the rest of the other ones. They're already broken too.
Okay. These are broken?
Like, I broke them, yeah.
So of course you broke them. You break everything.
You are lucky I didn't break it.
I know. 3, 2, 1. All right.
What are you doing?
I'm being born again.
Did you say being born?
I'm being born again, this time into a Dodge Journey.
Autobots engaged.
Okay, so before I forget, so my car came out to $1,000. I paid 2 money orders for $500, and then I only owed $98 cash. So, yeah, again, we saved a little bit of money. You know, you save everywhere you can. Yeah, so right now I'm on my way to the shop. I didn't notice, though, I'm gonna have to also replace a headlight. That's not that big of a deal. I was listening to see if I thought I heard something, but I think it's the wind catching the back bumper, if anything. All right, we'll see you guys at the shop.
Yeah, we need to open it.
Yes. I'll fix this baby up. It's max profits. He loves it.
I remember there were
Screws on the side over here.
No, it's off.
Okay.
There.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna try popping it out. There we go. Put it back on, Johnny.
We're not putting that back on.
Look, I got it.
This one, we already bought it. What are you gonna do?
Return it. Get some credit.
Okay. That's a good bumper.
I'll always wait for you, Anthony.
We need a different socket.
Oh. Okay. What size?
Let's try 10. You just totally kicked all the screws.
You're kidding me. Why are they all on?
In a nice neat pile right there, out of the way.
Damn. Come try. Oh, God, you okay?
Okay. I was in a place where I can move out of the way quick.
It looks like we're going at normal speed, but really this is fast paced. This is fast forwarding right now. It's hard to tell. But just look at the sun slowly disappear behind me. Yeah, we have a breaker bar.
Oh.
Yeah, bolts on a frame that's bent do not come out well.
Is it?
Yeah, using a breaker bar and my leg. The downside of things being bent, nothing's in the right place. What do you do?
Don't say that. Don't say
So I'm suggesting
we hit it with the sledgehammer. Right there. Yep. Doing the easy stuff.
This died. You broke this.
Did I?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Oh, it's fine. You get these all the time.
Oh.
Oh yeah, but it's definitely broken.
Oh, dude, I had it on a bolt, dude, and literally twisted it, and then after I broke one of those bolts loose on this side when we were taking them off.
That's what happens when you trust Anthony with tools.
I break tools. I tell you.
I don't want to hear any more BS from you for breaking stuff. I'm gonna add it to your scrap pile.
All right. All right. Oh, headlight. We need to put that headlight in.
All right, well, I'm getting ready to put these sockets away.
Okay. They work? Okay. Okay, start in reverse. Reverse? Yeah, that works. Perfect. All right, kill it. Now check them. Yep.